and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters.
Yep.
Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Warning has been issued until 3:45 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following marine location. Coastal waters from Point Grenville to Cape Shorewater 10 to 16 nautical miles.